The Komisyon sa Wikang Pilipino or KWF held its second batch of training to People's Television Network or PTV personnel. PTV General Manager Toby Nebrida spearheaded the training. He underscored the importance of the activity as a step towards broadening and deepening the understanding of the proper use of the Filipino language. He stated this is not only vital for communication but also in shaping societal awareness and embodying the country's ideals. GM Nebrida also assured continuous cooperation with the KWF to provide new information, knowledge, and inspiration.
Sa bawat salitang binibigkas natin at sa bawat pangungusap na isinusulat at ginagamit sa ating pagpapahayag, pinapahayag natin ang kaisipan at mithiin ng ating kapwa, ng ating mga mamamayan at ang ating mga komunidad tungo sa isang bagong Pilipinas. Ating pagkatandaan ng pag-unawa, pagpapahalaga at wastong paggamit sa wikang Pilipino ay daan para maipahayag sa buong mundo ang ating kwento.